What are you doing?
I was doing the whip. I'm cutting pineapple right now.
For who?
For my fan band. You know what I'm saying? We trying to eat healthy. Went to the doctor yesterday. He told me my old ticker ain't ticking right. I don't know why. It got to be my ticker. When all my life I was just a bad motherfucker. I used to do everything, you know what I'm saying? Now all of a sudden, my shit don't want to tick right.
Excuse me?
I'm going to do what they say. Kick back, relax, enjoy my life, you know what I'm saying? I only got one life to live. Understand that. What they mean by that.
I see your sexy coming out over there.
Ooh, that's that sexy right there. That's that sexy. The real sexy down here on my pointer.
I'm gonna say I'm stopping this video.